Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this swing bottom left and swing bottom right effect in CapCut PC. So first, you can go to media and import your photos or videos you like to edit. And for example, just add to the track. So before I started the image duration and 1.0 second, and you can select clip and go to animation. Select in animation, just scroll down until you find the swing bottom left and swing bottom right. For the first clip, you can select swing bottom left and adjust for the duration, right, and 0.6 second. And for the second clip, select the swing bottom right, just for the duration, same duration. For the third, swing bottom left again, fourth, swing bottom right, and so on. And as you can see, this final result you have on your video. So that's it. Sorry. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.